So for this week, I started working a little bit on my fishing system, and I finished up doing the actual workflow of it, and now I just wanted to go step by step and see if I could go through the whole process. So for this week, I wanted to learn how to make sure the player is casting into water when he has a fishing rod equipped. So what I did, and this is just my default fishing rod here, I added this empty game object. Actually, for now, I just use a spear so I could see it, and I attached it to my camera game object, and I put it out in front of the player, so it's always in front of the player. So wherever the player is facing, you see it's red, so it means that it's hitting a layer that's not water. Now, when it goes to green, that means the player can cast because it's an available spot in the water. As you get closer here, it becomes red, then green, and then it goes to the boat. So I'm kind of learning here how to use layer masks, so it always knows, and this will work well for the player as well, to see what layer the player's on, if he's in the water or if he's on the beach or in the air. But for now, I got this to work, and I'm pretty happy with this. So I'm using this Raycast, and I'll show you guys in a second if you want to see the scripts. But basically, I have three. I have terrain, three layers: static, terrain, and water right now. I'm sure there'll be others, but these are the main ones that I'm using right now. So if it's on, okay. If it is on, let me go to my fishing. I'm calling it the fishing rod water checker. So basically, it's in fixed update. Whenever the fishing rod is equipped, I have it to set this fishing rod water checker game object to true. And this is what this script is. So it takes the three layers, which is water, terrain, and static, which I made them, and it's going to cast a hit raycast, and it's going to check to see if it's hitting something static, which is like the dock. If so, then it's going to show red. Else, if it hits water, it's going to show green. And then if it hits terrain, it's going to show red. So right now it's working as intended. So pretty happy with that. Before I put it on my fishing rod, but it didn't work because the fishing rod's running around. You can see it's all messed up anyway. I got to fix that eventually. But what I wanted to accomplish, I accomplished. And if you guys want to see, this is what I have to go through here. So I'm at this point here, add fishing rod water checker. Then I have to show the interaction to show cast. And then once the player's able on the ground, he's not swimming, and he's on the ground, and he has a fishing rod equipped, and he's facing the water, then he'll be able to cast. He or she will be able to cast. So that's the first step. And next week, I want to be able to actually cast something to that spot wherever the player is aiming, and that should begin the whole fishing system. So that's it for now, and thanks for watching.